Good morning students, myself Anupam Sharma and today's video for class 8 chapter number 4 which name graphics in QBasic. Earlier 7th class and 6th class you have read about graphics and I told you that time so many examples of graphics in QBasic. Graphics in QBasic. Graphics QBasic. So my dear student, today we will start graphics in QBasic. So after the study of the graphics QBasic, you will be able to explain skill resolution, define constant and variables. So first of all, I want to introduction to you. QBasic is a programming language. What is QBasic? QBasic is a programming language. You have learned how to write program and what are the functions in QBasic. So let us first recall all the statement in QBasic and later you will learn how to create graphics in QBasic. So the QBasic depend mostly statements and what are the uses. No more is that QBasic is suitable for mathematical and business applications. And QBasic developed by Microsoft in 1985. Developed by Microsoft 1985. So right now I will tell you some statement and uses of that statement. Statement. CLS statement, input statement, CLS statement, input statement, and statement, print statement, RAM statement, and let statement. Okay, my dear. So here is a how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 statement, and all statements are useful to you. So these statements you are not saying the first time in 7th standard, 6th standard you also know about this statement. So CLS statement is used to clear the output stream. CLS clear scheme. CLS. We can say CLS is short from the clear scheme. So it is used to clear the output scheme. And next input. Input is used to take data from the user. Input take data from the CLS. It used to clear the output scheme. And input it used to take data from the user. Input by this reason it takes data. It is not output. In the output provides data and input take the data. So it is used to take the data from the users and it terminate a program. And means stop the program. Terminate a program. And you use this AND statement, that is a sign of the end of the and termination of the program. And print statement. It is used to get the output of a program. It is used to get the output of a program. Print. You take print with the help of paper. So paper on your hand, just like in the output form, not an input, because you are reading print paper at your hand. By this reason, print is the output program. It is used to get the output of program. So print, P-R-I-N-T, print, write the program, E-R-I-N-T means output of the program. This use the last. RAM, R-E-A-R-E-M. It is used to write some nodes in a program. RAM, it is used to write some nodes. Let it is used to assign a value to a variable. It is used to assign a value to a variable. Okay, so these are CLS based input provide data to the input, take the input from the users and convert the program, print to the output. RAM used to write some nodes in the program, let it assign value to a variable, and after it start. Constant. Constant are the value that do not change during the execution of the program. Constant are the values that do not change during the execution of the program. Constant are classified into categories. We can say numeric constant and character constant. So constant. First is numeric constant, the second character constant. Numeric constant, character constant, and again numeric constant divided into two types: integer constant and real constant. Integer constant and character constant. Integer constant and real constant. Integer constant and real constant. Again divided by two parts. Again character constant divided by two parts. Single character constant and string constant. Character constant, single character constant and string constant. Constant. Okay. So constant. What is constant? Are the visual constant are the value that do not change during the execution program. Constant value do not change during the execution program. And it's a numeric constant, the character constant. Numeric constant to that integer constant, the real constant. And character constant the two types: single character constant and the string constant. So my dear student, I will tell you about the about the classification of the constant. So integer constant, first of all I will discuss about the integer constant. It constant of positive numbers are or negative numbers without any fractional part. It constant of positive numbers or negative numbers without any fractional part. For example, I go to your book, now I am not seeing the other, on the page number 44, 10, 2, 32, same numbers. I am not change this other number because you will be confused. Okay, minus 568 minus 568 minus 968 456. Okay, so integer constant for constant positive numbers or negative numbers without any fractional. What type of integer constant? Positive numbers or negative numbers without any fractional part. Okay, so these are the integer constant. And next, real constant. It constant, I will discuss the real constant. Real constant. It consists of the real numbers with fractional part. It consists of the real numbers. It consists of the numbers with fractional part. For example, 5 as on a page number 44, 55.5, 72.3, 55.5, 72.3, 4. Fractional part after the point part. It's called the real constant. And here positive and negative numbers without fractional. Here the numbers with fractional part. It considers number of the fractional parts. Okay, so here is the two types of constant: numeric constant, two types, integer constant and the real constant. And now I will discuss about the single character constant. Okay, single character constant. It consists of a single character enclosed in double quotas. It consists of single characters enclosed in double quotas. For example, a single characters enclosed in double quotas. Okay. Single characters. String constant. In constant, a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotas. For example, hello friends. Enclosed with the double quotas. It consists sequence of characters. Hello friends, QVC. Okay, my dear. Okay, now I am again repeat you about the constant. Constant is the two types. Numeric constant, the character constant. And numeric constant again two types: integer constant and the real constant. So integer constant, positive and negative numbers without fractional. Real number, fractional part of the numbers. Constant, two types: numeric constant, character. Numeric and then character. Numeric in the two types, integer and the real constant. Integer, positive and negative fractionals without fractional part. And real number, fractional part. Okay, this part is finished. And next other part, character constant, single character constant and the string constant. So, my dear student, single constant, single number, single character, A, A, B, and that A single number or a particular B, C, D as you wish. So both are so many numbers enclosed by the double quotas. A, double quota, inverted quota. String constant, sequence of the characters. Hello friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so many numbers, so many characters, but all numbers enclosed by the double quotas. QVC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here the string, a line, a sequence of the characters, but here there is no sequence. Constant two parts, numeric and character. Here discuss the only numbers, here discuss only characters. So numbers, positive and negative, without fractional. Here fractional. Here single number, single characters. Here sequence of the characters. So very easy. Again repeat. Constant, numeric and character. Numeric, integer and real. Integer, positive and negative numbers without fractionals. Real, fractional parts of the number. Character, single and string. In the single, only A, B, C, so many numbers, so many characters, but all numbers covered by the double inverted quotas. Okay. Next, string, a sequence of the characters included by the double quotas. Okay, my dear. And now I will discuss to you variables. Variables. So, a variable refers to name of data storage location. Variable is the name of data storage location in computer memory. Variable means name of data storage location in computer memory. It holds a value assigned by the user. It holds the value assigned by user. Suppose that user and user, so when is the person user, you can change the value of a variable anytime. You can change the value of a variable anytime. A variable has a type which is defined by the kind of value it holds. Defined by the value, the kind of value it holds. Variable can be classified in two groups, as said, numeric and string variable. So first of all, I will repeat the definition of the variable. A variable has to a name of data storage location in a computer memory. Variable refers a name of data storage. Here we will store a variable refer to a name of data storage location in computer memory. It holds a value assigned by the user. You can change the value of a variable anytime. You can change the value of a variable. Variable has two types, string and the numeric variable. Numeric variable, string. Numeric variables and string variables. So numeric variable consists of integer, decimal or floating type. Numeric consists of integer, decimal and floating types. Numbers, two types of numbers, space and symbols are not allowed in numeric variables, and space and symbols are not allowed in numeric variables. For example, x equal to 4 means that value 4 is assigned to the variable x. X is equal to 2. Means 4 is the value of the x assigned by x. Value of the x is 4. And this is assigned by the x. Number, decimal number, floating type, numeric space and symbol are not valued in the numeric. So x is equal to 4, what is the value of the x assigned by the x. Next, string variables. String variables consist of text or symbol. My dear student, little thing I will provide you examples as related to your book. Only one user, because right now you all are sitting at your home. If I provide you other example, maybe you will be confused. So, but I don't want that all student take study in a good manner, easy manner. So I don't want to ask study as a hard or complex. It should be easy manner. It should be in easy manner. Because I am the teacher of the computer, so computers provide the easy manner. String variables. String variables consist of text or symbols enclosed with the double quotas. String variable consists of text or symbol enclosed within double quotas. Only one thing is double quotas. Enclosed with a string value is followed by the dollar sign. Followed by the dollar. For example, this is same to same on your page number 4 string variables is equal to QVC. Same. QVC. String variable send by the dollar sign and value in the double quotas. Okay, string variable consists text or symbol enclosed with double quotas. Text or symbol in the double quotas. String value followed by the dollar sign. And now I will discuss to you graphics. Again variable, numeric variable, string variables. Numeric variable as a number, as a place. As an example, 4 is the value of the x assigned by the x. This is the number variables and string variable. These all will come from QVC in the double loaded quotas. So these are two things. And right now we will start your graphics. Graphics allows you to create and display graphics on the computer screen. What it allows? Create and display graphics on the computer screen. The display of computer screen consists of hundreds of pixels. The display of computer screen consists of hundreds of pixels. The number of pixels horizontally and vertically determined by the resolution of the display. Resolution of the display. Okay. Suppose that the screen of a computer, and I told you in standard. Okay, this is area of pixels. Horizontal and vertical. So this is the hundreds of pixels, number of pixels related vertically determine the resolution, and this is the determine the resolution. Small lines, point area, details, different types of point. First, we can see abstract points on the mobile screen, on a computer. So many points or lines. This is called the pixel resolution. If the more lines, more area, resolution will good. To learn more about the graphics QVC, you must know the screen mode QVC. The following is the resolution mode. Screen mode. Screen. One. Resolution 322, 200. Number of colors supported 4. You can see first step resolution on your mobile and go to the camera setting. You will find the resolution. High resolution, low resolution. Screen 2 as your go 640 into 200. Here's the number of color support 2. 320, 220, screen saving 320 into 200, color support 7. As seen, screen 8, 640 and 200, color supported 16. Screen 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so many screens here. In the mentioned modes, there are following two common screens that are used widely: medium resolution and high resolution. Just like your camera's screen, you can find their resolution high, medium, low. So in resolution, in the medium resolution, the computer screen divided into the 320 horizontal and 200 vertical spaces. 320 200 vertical pixels. Figure 4.2 on the page number 45. Such type of screen: upper left 00, lower left 099, 194, lower right 319, 319, 199, upper right 319, 319 and 0, center 11600, 11600. So it refers to a single dot in a graphics image. It is the amount of pixels per unit area of the screen. What is resolution? Resolution means it is the amount of pixels per unit area on the screen. Okay, this is the means of resolution. And again, medium resolution is the medium resolution. Medium resolution. Next, high resolution. Resolution. In the high, 0 left, upper left, 320 into 100, center 0 upper left, 639, upper right, lower lower left 0, 199, lower left, lower right 639, 190. The high resolution, and this is the medium resolution. In the medium resolution, 320 horizontal, 320 horizontal, so 320 horizontal, and 200 vertical. In the high resolution, 640 horizontal and 200 vertical. Okay, my dear. Next video will start the switching between screens.